Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're looking at this dresser with 3 storage drawers. Now, the first thing you'll probably notice about this dresser is the wood style top of the dresser is actually really nice and high quality. It's comparable to about the height of a nightstand. You can go ahead and stand things up there. Now, you do have 3 storage drawers here, and these storage drawers are these fabric drawers that are actually really nice and spacious. You have a lot of room. You can go ahead and put a lot of things in those drawers. 3 of the same size drawers, and then at the bottom of the dresser you actually have these wheels, which they do roll around really nicely, and then on 2 of the wheels you actually have a lock, which you can go ahead and lock the wheels, and this will keep the dresser in place. Overall, I think this is a very high quality dresser and I would highly recommend it. Now make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.